Today, we will see how to use Notion on a PC or laptop. This video is all about using the Notion desktop app. Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace used for note-taking, project management, and organization. If you want to download the Notion desktop app, scroll all the way down to the footer of the website. There, you will find the download options where you can choose Notion for Android, iPhone, Mac, or Windows. We will click on Mac or Windows, depending on the device. After that, click on Download for Mac or Download for Windows. I have already downloaded the app, so let's go back to the app screen and start the process. If you already have an account, you can sign in, but for new users, you can log in via Google, Apple, Microsoft, Passkey, or single sign-on. For this demo, I will continue with Google. Once the login process is complete, it will take you to the dashboard home screen, where you'll see a Welcome to Notion message. Here, we will explore Notion's features step by step, starting from the left side. To get started, at the top left, you can see your workspace name. All your data will be organized under this workspace. You can set your workspace name according to your needs. Next, we move to the Home section, where you can see recently visited pages at the top. You can also learn how to create a Notion template or customize it according to your needs. Additionally, you can find featured templates provided by Notion. Simply add them to your space and start using them. After that, we move to the Meetings section. Here you can view upcoming meetings for your projects or tasks. To use the calendar, you must first connect it, and it will prompt you to connect your Google account. Once connected, you'll see your calendar data. Since I just created a new account, my Google Calendar isn't connected yet. Next is Notion AI. This advanced feature helps with deep research, content writing, task creation, PDFs, images, meeting agendas, and more. When you select an option, it starts generating content. Notion AI works very fast and completes tasks within a few moments. For example, you can see this task tracker created by AI. To preview it, simply click the provided link. There you go. Add your task list and track your activity. For example, I will create a demo project for this video demonstration. To assign the project, you'll see a list of your team members. Since I just created a new account, I'm the only one in the list. However, you can invite team members and assign tasks to them. Next, there is a due date option, where you can pick a date from the calendar. You can also enable the task end date and end time if needed, so the assignee knows the deadline. You can also add notes about the project. In this case, I will just add demo text. Then there is a priority section where you can select high, medium, or low priority. High priority means urgent or critical work. In the next section, you can select the project status such as to do, in progress, or done. Choose one according to the progress. If you want to add more properties to your tracker, click the plus icon. A new menu will appear where you can choose additional properties. For example, I will select the Files and Media property. Once added, you'll be able to upload a file from your computer or embed a link. To view project details on one page, click on the project name. It will open a sidebar with all details, where you can also leave comments for your team to ask questions about project progress. You are not limited to a few projects. You can create as many as you need by adding new pages. They will start appearing in the task tracker. Next, we move to the to-do list. Here, you can list your tasks or project items. For example, create a demo task named Task 1. When you click on it, the sidebar will show all details such as due dates, status, and properties, just like before. To add content, type a / to open the menu. Here, you'll find many options to customize your list. For example, choose heading 1 for the title. Then write your title, such as How to Use Notion. Now, write the content under the heading, like, this tutorial explains how you can use Notion on your desktop. To add more elements, click the plus icon and choose from options like toggle lists, pages, callouts, quotes, dividers, tables, Notion AI, code blocks, databases, media files, and more. In short, you have a wide range of options to customize tasks, projects, and content in Notion. If you want to add a new page, click the plus icon and a new page will be created. To customize this page, start by adding an icon. Click on Add Icon, which opens a panel where you can search for icons, for example, a robot. Select one to add it. Once added, you'll also see a banner at the top. To change the banner, click Change in the top right corner. A new panel will open where you can explore the gallery, upload an image, or use the Unsplash gallery. In the search bar, type a keyword to find relevant images. I will search for AI image. Once the results appear, select an image to add. You can reposition the image by enabling reposition mode, dragging it to the desired position, and clicking Save Position. Next, you can add text as we did before. Start with a heading and then add body text. You can also use Notion AI. For example, if I select Ask AI, I can ask a question like, how to use Notion Desktop. The AI will generate a detailed response with links and information. You can save these changes to keep them on your page. Next, go to the team space, where you can see your workspace name and add new pages for your team. Notion also allows you to connect your email through Notion Mail so you can receive all project-related emails inside the app. You can use the Notion calendar to manage meetings as we saw earlier. In settings, you can explore all account and workspace options, advanced features, integrations, and admin controls. The next section is the marketplace, where you'll find preset templates in different categories created by Notion users. You can find both free and premium templates. Simply open a template to preview how it looks. If you want to use it, click Add, select the workspace, and within a few moments, the template will be added. This wraps up the overview of the Notion desktop app, how you can use it to manage your projects, tasks, teams, and more. And that's it.